Chapter 2, page 28 is where I want to begin with this first part of the lecture notes, the evolution of schooling. All people, regardless of their time and place in history, have cared for their young and attempted to prepare them for life's challenges. This was even true of the very earliest humans, who fed and protected their children and formally taught them, probably by example and admonition, the skills they need to survive as adults. So that was more of the trend in the early years. Was the fathers taught the boys a trade. They taught them how to work in the garden. They taught them how to work on the farm. They taught them how to hunt. The women, of course, were teaching the girls how to cook, how to clean, how to care for the babies, those kinds of things. And that was the official education system, if you'll have it. The greatest impetus for a more formal type of education was development of written language. And I've always said, wouldn't it be cool to have lived when, who decided that an A was going to look like an A and it was going to say A and A? Who decides that? I think that would be awesome to be a part of that discovery of the whole written language. So once that started happening, you've heard the old phrase, keeping up with the Joneses. As certain people started sending their kids to school, the other families kind of felt the pressure or wanted their children to be kept up. Thus, the formal education began.